Mr. Venugopal, Rahul Gandhi has launched a stinging attack on both the left and the BJP, saying there is better. All good, thank you. Saying that there is collusion between left and BJP.
Colluding each other to defeat the UDF.
You're saying
what
that left and BJP are colluding with each other?
That's why yesterday Prime Minister didn't mention anything about the gold temple theft.
You're saying Prime Minister is coming to Kerala and not attacking the BJP.
CPM.
And not attacking the CPM. But the point is, CPM is your ally, India ally in the center.
No, Kerala CPM is entirely different. Kerala CPM, you can see that. This is not a Labour party. This is not a socialist party. This is not a communist party. This is now become the corporate party. Basically, complete interest of the corporates they are protecting.
So who is the one, in your view, who is the real, your real fight against in Kerala? Is it the left? Or are you saying that the left and the BJP have come together? Because Pinarayi...
The fight is against left. Congress and left is fighting each other. UDF and LDF fighting each other.
Sir, Pinarayi Vijayan says Congress is the B team of the left. He went public and said that.
Entire people of Kerala is joking by hearing that statement. People know about that, how Rahul Gandhi is fighting against Modi. Every Kerala know about it. Then Pinarayi Vijayan is telling Congress and Rahul Gandhi is the agent of BJP. Who is going to believe? Rajiv ji, who is going to believe?
So, is there a confidence this time? Because in 2021, Pinarayi Vijayan defeated anti-incumbency and won in Kerala. Is 2026 going to be different?
Exactly different. 2026 is going to, in the way of UDF, we will sweep the election.
You're saying you will sweep. The polls are showing a very tough fight.
No, we will sweep the election. You can count it. We will cross 100.
You'll cross 100?
Yes.
Can I take this on record? You're going to cross 100?
Certainly.
But the question is, kaun banega Mukhyamantri? Who will be Chief Minister? Is that an issue or not?
No issue at all. We are all fighting together.
Is K.C. Venugopal in the race or not?
Congress is united. Kerala is united. We are not for making a Chief Minister. We are making Kerala good state and good governance state.
Pinarayi Vijayan claims he is the one who has developed Kerala.
Bogus claims. Nothing else.
Is K.C. Venugopal going to move from Delhi to Thiruvananthapuram after the election?
These are all rumors.
No, there is Ramesh Chennitala,
only
Satish and your name.
There will be Congress Chief Minister. Don't worry about that. Party will decide. Okay.
And I want to ask one last time. Rahul Gandhi's speech, as I said, is attacking what he's calling the corporatization of Kerala.
Yeah.
Right? He's saying, but how can you distinguish? Does this not bring friction within your India alliance in Delhi when you make such strong statements against the left here in Kerala? Nothing. Makes no difference.
Nothing.
K.C. Venugopal, I wish you well. We will wait and see whether you move from Delhi to Trivandrum.